Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this GEMEK van welding mask. I've already been using this for over 2 months now, and this is a great mask to have when you're welding items or even grinding items. So let me show you what it comes with and how it works and how it looks and feels. Here's the helmet itself. It has a yellow protector shield right here. You have your solar panel on top. On the side is how you loosen the unit. Here you can adjust the different shades, anywhere from 5 all the way up to 13. On the back, here's your adjustment knob for the back of your head, and it fits very nicely. You even got a, right here you have a sweat shield. Inside here you test the battery level. You press it down and you see it go black. Here is your sensitivity. This is your delay. And here you switch the on and off for using grind, or you could set your different shades from 5 to 9 or 9 to 13 depending on how you're going to use this mask. It also comes with 2 replacement shields, inner shields. It comes with 2 outer replacement shields, and it even comes with a convenient carrying bag. Here's the mask. I'm wearing glasses and this still works fine. So you loosen up the back plate here. You place it on the top of your head. And once you have it on, you tighten it so that way it's nice and tight. And then you adjust the sides just to make it so that way it stays up by itself. And then you bring it down like this. This is how it looks. The visuals are nice and clear. I got a wide range of view here. This is how the side looks. This is how the back looks. So this gives me a lot of protection all over my face and my eyes. Then when I'm done, I can lift it up and I can still use it, the up position. So this works very well. So you can see the viewing angle. You get a very wide viewing angle. When you're ready to use it, you move the button from grind to 5 to 9. That gives you the minimal auto darkening. So you can see here's a lighter. You see how it darkens it, but it doesn't darken it fully. And then when you move it to 9 to 13, do the same test. You can see how long that it takes to get back from the darkening. Overall, this is a great welding mask. I like how it has the solar panel on top to charge the battery. I also like how easy it is to adjust it and to use it. It feels very well. It's made out of a good material, so it's going to last a very long time. And I like how well that the optics are. It's very clear and it works very well.